Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can create and add a text box to your designs and canvases on Affinity Designer in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, for the sake of this tutorial, let me launch Affinity Designer on my desktop computer. Then here in your new document, what you want to do is navigate to the panel to the left. And after that, click into this tool here, artistic tool, with your right mouse. And select the text tool you would like to use, like a frame text tool or artistic text tool. It's up to you. You can also customize it. I will go with an artistic text tool and then position your text box here on your canvas. With your left mouse, hold your left mouse and adjust the size. And as you can see, there's that example letter A so that you can see the size of the text box. Release your left mouse and that's your text box. Now you can make it larger, of course, and start typing in your text. So let me add in text or type in text, and then you may resize it, position it, rotate it, double click into it to change the text, APC for example. And that's it. There's also the other text box tool, frame text tool. You can use that as well. Both of them have the shortcut T. So if you'd like to switch between these, you will need to right click into that text box tool here and select the one you would like to go with, and then again position your frame here, and that is going to add a frame like this. And now you can type in your text, and that's it. Now if you'd like to resize that text here, you would need to highlight it and then go through the font size here, for example, and change a different font size. So that's the two ways how you can insert a text box on Affinity in 2026, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.